I seek refuge of God from Satan. The name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the world. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Lessons. Traveler 2, Lecture 3, page number 49. In this lesson, we will complete the previous one. We will differentiate between the two verbs. The first one, verb need, and verb want. What does need mean? Need means is something, means something that a person must have. Without it, the person will suffer. Without need, the person will suffer. But want is a choice or desire which a person may or may not get it. It's a choice in the life. Number one, Bill doesn't space to have lunch right now. Maybe he is not hungry. Bill doesn't want to have lunch right now. Or Bill doesn't need to have lunch right now. Maybe he's not a choice. Maybe is a choice for eating. Yes. The good answer is want. Bill doesn't want to have lunch right now. Maybe he's not hungry. Number 6. I space to feed the baby. He woke up and he is crying. Yes. I need to feed the baby. He woke up and he is crying because it is not a choice, but it is a need to feed the baby. Number 6, I need to feed the baby. He woke up and he is crying. The another two verbs we will differentiate between ideal and favorite. Idea means satisfying one's conception, what is perfect or most suitable for him. Something suitable for me is ideal thing. But favorite means preferred before all others of the same kind. Favorite. Number 7. Chocolate ice cream is my dessert. Chocolate ice cream is my ideal dessert or my favorite dessert. Yeah, thank you very much. Chocolate ice cream is my favorite dessert. Number 8. The shopping center is not an or a space place to relax. It's always for people. The shopping center is not a space place to relax. It's always for people. The shopping yes, idea. The shopping center is not an idea place to relax because it's always full of people. Grammar. Reported speech. What does reported speech? We will differentiate between direct speech and reported speech. What does direct speech mean? Direct speech is a sentence that is spoken from one person to another. When you ask someone, what's your name? How are you? I am from here. I am Egyptian. These sentences is spoken from first person to the second person. This called direct speech. Direct speech is a sentence that is spoken from one person to another. But reported speech or indirect speech is a transferring speech from one person to another person. I will transfer the speech from Ali into Mahmoud. Okay? I will transfer the speech from one person to another. We use the past to express the reported speech. We use the past because when we transferred these words from Ali to Mahmoud. When we transfer the words from one person to another person, this situation was in in the past, not in the present. We use linking words in the case of a statement. In the case of a statement, okay, like that, like that. Okay. Read the examples, answer the questions, and complete the rules on the right. Direct speech and reported speech. Number one, we should feed the cows and clean the barn. This is the first direct speech. Uncle Bob said to Victor. When we transfer this direct speech into reported speech, we will use Uncle Bob, told Victor, linking word that they should feed the cows and clean the barn. Number two, we have a lot of work to do today. Uncle Bob said to Victor, we have a lot of work to do today. Uncle Bob said to Victor. We want to transfer this into reported speech. Use he told, or Uncle Bob told Victor. Linking word that what they had. The past transferred the speech into the past. A lot of work to do that day. Today transferred into that day and reported speech. Direct speech. We need to have a good breakfast, Uncle Bob told. We need to have a good breakfast, Uncle Bob told. Transfer into. He also said. Said what? Said that linking word. They need transferred into needed. Need transferred into needed to have a good breakfast. Okay. Also, we have some changes in the case of transferring from direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech. Say and tell. Verb say and tell. Say and tell are reporting verbs. Use what, say or tell, before an indirect object person. Okay, use tell before an indirect object person. And when there is no indirect object. There is no indirect object, we use say. Pronouns and possessive adjectives. Pronouns and possessive adjectives change according to the meaning of the sentence. Also, tenses, modal verbs, and time expressions usually change as follows. Direct speech, and reported speech. Present, transferred into? Yes, into the past in the reported speech. If the direct speech in the past, we will transfer it into past perfect. Past perfect, had plus past participle. If the direct speech is present perfect, transfer it into past perfect. Had plus past participle. If we use will in the future, use it as a word in the reported speech. Can, indirect speech, transferred into could, indirect speech. Should, transferred into? Yes, should in indirect speech or reported speech. This transferred into that. Today, transferred into that day. Yesterday, yesterday transferred into the previous day or the day before. Last week transferred into the previous week in direct speech or the week before. Tomorrow, tomorrow, transferred into the next day or the following day. Next year transferred into the following year. Okay, I'd like to thank you very much. Please write down all the information, translations, and answers in your copybook and send me a copy on my WhatsApp. I'd like to thank you very much. We will meet again.